everyone. I am A. Jagdish Babu, working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department. Now we'll be discussing the fifth experiment, typical beams. Today we'll be discussing about uh, detailing of detailing of beam. Here we'll be representing the details of reinforcement details. Here the question is here given the data span equals to 5770 mm. I'll show the data. Yeah, this is the data. Span equals to 5770 mm. Wall thickness equals to 230 mm. Overall depth equals to 550 mm. Beam width equal to 250 mm. Main bars equals to 5 bars of 20 mm. Then hanger bars equals to 2 bars at the rate 600 mm. Dia. Next, stirrup will be placing stirrups of 8 mm at the rate 300 center to center spacing, and total length of the beam equals to 6230 mm. That is the data. Now I'll be drawing the beam. Okay, total length of the beam is 6230 mm. Right now, once see the units, it should be in mm, millimeters. Okay, type decimal, precision 0.0, units to scale inserted content as millimeter. Then click on OK. Annotation, dim style, modify, text 80 mm height, symbols and arrows 80 mm height, primary units, decimal precision 0, scale 1. Okay, click on OK, close. Right now I'll be starting the diagram. First take a total length of the beam, that equals to 6230 mm. Right, L, enter, specify the first point, make sure ortho should be on, 6230 mm, enter. Right, then towards y axis we have 550 mm. Right, enter. Then the total length of the beam is 6230 mm. Right, then close the line. Okay, this is actually the cross section of the beam. Now I'll be drawing the wall thickness. Wall, L, enter. Take somehow up to 700. No problem. 700 mm. Same thing, you offset it. Offset 230 mm thickness. Right. Click on this line and click here. Okay. Next. L, enter. 700 mm. Enter. Okay. Offset 230 mm. Enter. Click on this line and click here. Okay. Escape. Now I'll be giving break line here using break line command. Break line size should be of 35 mm height. Okay, specify the first point, second point, and midpoint. Okay, break line is visible now. Right, the same thing should be done here using break line command. I'll be drawing the break line. Size 35 mm. Enter. Specify first point, second point, and midpoint. Okay, somewhat extend it. L, enter. Somewhat extend to some extent. Okay, L, enter. L enter, L enter, okay. I'll be giving the hatch, wall hatch here. Click on hatch. Wall hatch is ANSI 32. Okay. Reduce the scale. Give the scale 20. Okay. Same thing. Okay. There is hatching is completed. Now I'll be drawing the reinforcement. Offset. Enter. Here the cover thickness is 25 mm. 25 enter. Click on this line and click here. Click on this line and click here. Okay. Now I'll be taking here to 25 mm bent, offset 25 mm bent bar. Click on this line, click here. Okay. Now I'll be trimming the extra lines. Now I'll be drawing these stirrups. Take offset. Stirrups equals to 8 mm dia at the rate of 300 center to center spacing, right? Offset 300. Enter. Click on this line and click here. Click on this line and select multiple. Okay. 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 Now I'll be deleting this line and I'll be drawing the line. I'll enter 200 mm. Okay. I'll enter 200 mm. Right. Now delete this line and take L enter from here to 150 mm. Escape. Then L enter from here to 150 mm. Okay. I have changed here also 150 mm, 150 mm. Okay. So here the bar will be bent. So I'll be taking the fillet command. Select this line and select fillet. Select radius. Select 10. Enter. Okay. You can see 10 degrees bent, right? The same you should do here too. Select this one, fillet, radius, 10, enter. Okay. Now it is okay. This is the longitudinal section of the beam. Check the dimensions. 230 mm wall thickness. Depth of the beam, exterior to exterior is inner to inner we have to check. Exterior to exterior we have to check. So this point to this point. Okay. From this point to this point, 550 mm. Okay. Now I'll be taking the section L enter. I'll be cutting this section. Okay. I'll be taking section AB. Denote it as AB. Copy that test, paste here. Edit the test. Type it as B. Okay. This is the section AB. I'll be projecting the line. I'll be projecting this line. L enter. I'll be projecting this line as baseline. Now I'll be drawing the section AB. L enter. 250 mm width. Okay. Now I'll be deleting the baseline to get the clarity. Okay. L enter. The depth of the beam is 550 mm. Okay. Again, the width is 250 mm. Close it. Okay. Give offset 25 mm. Click on this line, click here, click on this line, click here, click on this line, click here, click on this line and click here. Now trim the extra lines. Okay. TR double enter. Okay. Select on fillet command. Select this one, this one. Using fillet command, I am bending it. Okay. Okay. Now I'll be inserting the bars. Main bars equals to 5 bars. Diameter of the bar is 20 mm. Right. I'll be giving circle command. Okay. Clicking on it. I'll be giving diameter. $25. Fill it with solid hatch. Okay. Make it as a block using block command. Okay, give the name as dia bar. Okay, select this, Control C, Control V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, on the top we have 2 bars. It is hanger bar 2 of 16 mm dia, right? 1 bar and second bar. Here I'll be placing the hook too. Select here, ortho off, and put a hook. L enter. Okay. Now the section is completed, right? And delete these sample parts. So this is the section. Mention the dimensions. 250. And 550 depth, right? This is actually the typical reinforcement detailing of the beam. I hope you understand. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.